Introducing Testo Booster, an all-natural, clinical-grade supplement formulated to restore optimal hormone levels, reverse age-related testosterone decline, and increase youthful testosterone production. Testo Booster's natural formulation and clinically significant ingredient quantities mean that it is the only testosterone health supplement that you will ever need. Simply take 3 capsules of Testo Booster a day and experience an overall improvement in your testosterone levels, fitness, and cardiovascular health. The market is full of testosterone supplements promising to boost your testosterone levels and increase your muscle mass. Unfortunately, most of these supplements are low quality, and their claims are exaggerated at best and dangerously untrue at worst. Testosterone supplements often use cheap synthetic ingredients in clinically insignificant dosages. Many of them secretly include pharmaceutical drugs, which can have dangerous side effects, and others have been found to contain none of the active ingredients that they claim. Don't waste your time or money on dangerous and fake testosterone supplements that don't work. Testo Booster by Ben's Natural Health is tested and certified by third-party laboratories to contain no steroids, no drugs, and no synthetic hormones. And only Testo Booster by Ben's Natural Health contains our unique formulation of 7 powerful nutrients, each of which has been scientifically proven to increase testosterone levels and halt age-related testosterone decline. But Testo Booster contains more than just the right ingredients. Those ingredients are also in the most bioavailable and highest quality forms in high-potency, clinically significant dosages. Each one is grown, processed, sourced, encapsulated, and tested in a US-based NSF and FDA accredited third-party laboratory to ensure quality, efficacy, safety, and label accuracy. For example, our US-grown ashwagandha. In multiple studies, ashwagandha has proven to significantly increase lower body and upper body maximal strength, as well as muscle size in the arms and chest. In another clinical trial, it was noted that athletes taking it saw an increase in cardiorespiratory endurance and improved velocity and power. Additional research has shown that it can assist with weight loss, restore healthy sleep patterns, and has a powerful neuroprotective effect. But the main reason we included it was its ability to increase testosterone levels by almost 20% on average in just a couple of weeks. And that's just one of the 7 powerful ingredients. Let's look at another. Tonkat ali, a plant native to Malaysia and Indonesia, has been proven to increase free testosterone, improve mood, combat erectile dysfunction, increase lean muscle mass, and lower cortisol stress levels. It is one of the most potent natural testosterone boosters on the planet. However, for it to be clinically effective, it is essential to use a concentrated and aged extract made from the root of the plant. This process is highly technical and expensive, which is why most other testosterone supplements use the fake or unaged tonkat ali imported from China. In fact, a recent study published in the Journal of Applied Sciences found that 41% of popular testosterone boosters claiming to contain tonkat ali actually contained no tonkat ali at all. In a 2005 study published in the International Journal of Sports Medicine, 18% of testosterone-boosting supplements secretly contained unlisted synthetic hormones, and a further 20% contained metabolites and pharmaceutical substances that can have serious side effects and have been banned from athletes under the World Anti-Doping Code. Only Ben's Natural Health Testo Booster contains tonkat ali that is 100% genuine, from the root, properly aged and processed, grown in the USA and tested in third-party laboratories to ensure purity and strength. Tonkat ali is a true powerhouse compound that will increase your muscle mass, reduce your body fat, and increase the strength and size of your muscles. In just one short study we looked at, participants gained an average of 4.68 pounds of lean muscle mass in just 5 weeks. In a study published in the First International Journal of Andrology, tonkat ali was found to help men with age-related testosterone decline, increasing their testosterone levels by up to 61%. Restore strength, increase libido, and shed excess body fat today with Ben's Natural Health Testo Booster, a clinically proven, all-natural supplement designed to raise your testosterone levels and restore your body's natural testosterone production. And unlike other testosterone supplements, all our ingredients are grown in the US and independently tested and encapsulated in a NSF certified and FDA audited laboratory, ensuring quality and efficacy. Which might be why 96% of the men who take Testo Booster rate it between 4 and 5 stars and say they would recommend it to a friend. Testo Booster is clinically formulated to increase testosterone levels, help build lean muscle and increase strength, improve endurance and increase libido, support natural testosterone production, assist with weight loss, improve cardiovascular health and blood pressure, and restore confidence, assertiveness, and boost self-esteem. So order today with complete confidence and say goodbye to low testosterone levels for good.